When were you born? I was born in February 8, 1998. Oh, right. You're older than me. Why? When were you born? I was born in August 6, 1999. Oh, you are younger than me. By the way, what time is it? Do you have watch? Yes, I have one. It's 11 o'clock. Maybe you are wrong. The right time is 11:05, and your watch is 5 minutes slow. Oh, thanks for your information, Abu. I think you have to buy the watch. Sorry, where will I buy the new watch? Can you accompany me to there? Yes, of course. I don't mind.
Waalaikumsalam. Hello, Fakir.
Who is he? Is he my friend?
Yes, he is your old friend. He is Dide.
Don't you remember me?
Dide? Who is Dide?
If you go to his store, usually you play with me.
Really? Will be in Indonesia next week. I want to meet him.
I want to meet him too.
That's very good job. Will he be in Indonesia next week? I want to meet him.
I want to meet your father too.
I think he will be busy for several weeks. He will not be in Indonesia next week.
What day is today?
Right now, I want to buy t-shirt.
Sun is good. May I join you to go there
Yes, of course, man. Let's go together.
next week?
Hizam, which one do you want to buy?
Maybe there it is.
Oh no, that's bad. This one is beautiful.
I think so. That's correct for you.
I agree.
Those are Abu Yazid and Amin, aren't they?
What are they? I don't see them.
Are you blind?
No, I am not blind. Possibly you are blind.
Don't be angry. Just kidding, only man.
Yes, it's okay.
Hello, Amin. Oh, I'm wrong. Wait, you are Abu Yazid, aren't you?
Oh, of course. I am Abu Yazid.
Oh, Abu Yazid, how are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you, how about you?
I am very well, thank you.
I'm very pleased to meet you too. Hello. Aha. You are, let me see. You are Fakih, and you are Hizam, and you are, who you are?
I am Dide.
Oh, okay. I remember now. You are Sir Ian's son, aren't you?
That's right.
Oh yes, Abu. When do you come here? Done with your Rosali?
Ghazali, I never met him.
By the way, do you have Ghazali's phone number?
No, I don't have one. Maybe Amin has Ghazali's phone number.
Amin, do you have Ghazali's phone number?
Phone number.
Amin, please give me Arif's phone number.
Okay, 08712345678
Hizam, what for you ask me this number?
Oh yes, I will have reunion of the our generation. I will to buy. I want to invite you and Amin, and I want to invite Wazalis and Arif.
Assalamualaikum. Hello, who are you?
Waalaikumsalam.
Oh, Hizam. What's happening, Hizam?
Can you come to my room?
I know?
Fine. May I know what time will you have reunion in your home? Have reunion at 9 p.m. Oh, alright, Hizam. I will invite Bazar yesterday. Oh yeah, Hizam. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Go to my home. See you tomorrow. And don't forget about reunion. Okay, no problem. See you too. Let's go, Didi. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. How are you, Bazar? I'm fine, thank you. I'm blessed to meet you. So am I, man. I'm very pleased to meet you too. And by the way, how are you? I'm very well, thanks. And may I know, where do you live now? I live near here. Oh. Guys, please give me for the time. I want to tell my experience too. I have to handle countries. I'm late because in the troubles, my grandpa is sick in Cholil. Okay, never mind. Thank you. Join us. Oh, Nazari, sit down beside me, please. I work together with many companies like Spain, German, Italy, and America. I feel I can is like this because I ever study in BSc. So that way we can get celebrate our success. Give your hands, brother. Let's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. Hello everyone. That's the last duty in level 1 in Blue English course in Islamic boarding house Nurul. Thank you very much for your nice attention. See you next time. And the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.